First, arrange your clips and intro according to the funk. Once you're done, add your Twixtor clips on the beat and follow my steps. Add flash and curve and adjust it according to the beat. Now freeze this frame and take its screenshot. We need it for later. Now using the same frame, make a cutout of you character. Add keyframe in the beginning and make your desired position on it. And in the last keyframe, bring it in center. Now zoom your next clip by adding keyframes and graph. Convert it into compound clip. Duplicate this clip and reverse it. Now take SS like I said earlier. Open your browser and go to Gemini. I will leave the prompt in the desk. Upload your SS here and add the prompt and it will give you the comic art style image. Add grayscale for black and white version and remove the word grayscale for the colorful version. Now add this to your timeline and trim it into short clips and just copy paste it like me. You can zoom it a little or zoom out to match your clip in the background. It should look like this. Next, go to Effects and Glitch. Add Cut Effect. Add keyframes like me. Next, add Shake Effect and keep the values like I am adding to it. Next, I'm going to add some glitch overlays on it as well. And adding the ripple overlay as well. Now add the shake effect during the time your cutout comes into the clip. Just copy the keyframe values like me, and it's basically done. You just have to repeat the same process on the next clips, and you can add flash effects later on, beats, to make it look more better. You can just copy-paste those effects previously you made and paste it like this on the next clips. I hope it helps you with your edits. Thank you for watching. Make sure to give it a like and comment if you find it helpful.